In the previous video, I explained what do you need to stream a mobile game via laptop and how to connect them, and I also described it how to do it. In this session, we are going on the software part. Good morning, guys, and also good afternoon. So we are gonna continue from our last video, how to stream mobile game via laptop in a budget. So if you don't know about the setup, please check out my previous video so that you can do the hardware setup first. So this is the setup. The hardware setup, which I already mentioned in previous video. Now everything we have connected with the laptop and this mobile. So the next thing what we should do is run the OBS system. OBS software. Here we have OBS Studio. So the magic happens here. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, as you can see, it's already appearing. The mobile screen is appearing right here, and it's live. So this is already set up, but I will show you from the very beginning, so stay tuned. So here we already opened the OBS. You have to go to the scene collection, and there are lots of just do new, type whatever you like, give him a name. Alright, this is a new scene created. So the hardware has already been added, so let's add within the scene, add a source. The first thing first, the intro. In the intro, and then we need other slots. You can switch between those slots: the intro, the main game, the break, and you can also put the ending video. So this is the main game where you can stream your mobile game. In the intro, you will just put a video file, and there's a break. You also need a break sometimes, so that is also a video file. That will also be a video file for the break, and the ending video, that will also be a video file. So we just need to link a video file which is already in your PC. Only the main game is streamed via the video card. The video card that I explained in the previous video. The video is in the link below. So within the intro, you add a video file. My video file, I'm searching for the video file. Look, there is an intro. You just need to click that video file. There are two video files. One is intro. I mean, for my channel, it's okay. You can see right now. And let's go to the break. Here also, you have to do a right click, just like in before. Add a media file. That will be as a media source too. So browse it and choose the video file. That will be the second video file. And the last video file, that will also be the same. We are just gonna add a text behind this file. Alright, As you can see, in the intro tab, the break tab, I have already added a video. So I'm gonna add a text here. Just like you have to do a right click at the source and add whatever you want, like text. You can customize the text, but in this session I will just be explaining the simple method, so I'm not gonna elaborate how to design your text, but you have to do it yourself later. This is just for the beginning, so please stay tuned, we will be back. So that's what I typed, so this appeared on the screen. You can adjust it, you can customize it as well. Well, this was for the break. You can also use it at the very beginning, which I usually do. Okay, in the break, if you want to talk, you can also add audio source. Just right click in the sources, just like before. Audio, headphone. Okay, the audio source, the input audio source would be a headphone. So there is a source. That's a capture card. That's a laptop microphone. So this microphone is from the headphone. Alright. As you can see, the level of sound with the green sign. So that means it is working. The other is from the media source. So again, right click. So in the main game, in the source, you have to right click. And well, actually, this was a mistake. If you want to capture a whole display, you can do it, but this was a mistake. So delete it. So add a source. We are using a video capture card, so you have to go for a video capture card device. The cheapest card available. What I mean. Alright, added. Now we have to choose the source. There are lots of sources. USB video is the correct one. You can test it if you wanna. You can also choose the other one. You can test it if whichever shows the mobile display is the one. Alright, then add let's add a couple of more things. Image. What I mean by image is you can use the outlay, what I use, the outlay, the border. Look, that's my outlay that I designed. There are several kinds. You can also adjust the video frame on the screen, which is gonna appear on the live stream. So I'm gonna adjust it with according to the outlay, the frame. In the frame, you can design the frame on the Photoshop. Okay, we still don't have the audio of the game, so we're gonna add a game audio. So you have to choose the source again. It's from the USB. So capture card, the audio source is gonna come from the capture card. So choose the capture card. Alright, now you can see the game. There is a green line showing. That means the audio is working. You can skip this part. Alright, let's add a sound. Again, you can check the game sound over there. It's working fine. Let's right click on the source, add audio input. So this time we're gonna choose a headphone. I think the headphone already existed. I shouldn't have done that. You can just choose but anyway, it's the same. The microphone. That means the microphone is the source of is the input source of our voice. you can check the level, which what I mean is put the microphone higher and the game sound a little 70%, so that the viewers can hear you more clearly. Otherwise they will just hear the game sound, not yours. All right, let's go. That's ending. Let's add text. More or less we are all done. We are almost finished. So in the end video, whatever you like, thanks for watching, thank you very much. You can write anything you want. This is the ending video. You can see there is a tab in the scene section. In the scene tab there is a intro, main game, break, edit, ending. So those are the slots. You can choose anytime during the live and it will be displayed on the streaming service on the platform like Facebook. Okay, go to the setting. I forgot to mention, go to the setting, there it is, and you don't have to do anything in general or whatever. You just go to the streaming tab. There you have to get the streaming key either from the YouTube. You can just click get streaming key, then it will redirect to the actual source of your streaming. I mean, it will lead you to the source where you can get the streaming key. Stream key is the most important. In the Facebook, I went to the Facebook live, so everybody can do it on Facebook live. So but the limitation is half SD with 30 frames per second. So let's go, let's do this. All right, otherwise you can also click the live video. In this section, scroll down, you have to choose use the stream key. Copy the stream key. You don't have to do anything in this tab. You just need to copy the stream key, which you can see on the Facebook stream page. Everything is default. Make sure Facebook live, paste the stream key and apply and OK. You don't have to do that, but if your internet is too slow, then you can do it. Apply and OK, and we are set to go. You can immediately start streaming. So this will appear over here. Look, it already appeared on my streaming page. So what you got to do next is give it a name. So this is just a test, so I'm not gonna waste my time. So there is a blue button and below go live. Now you are live. So you can switch between the tabs. This means this intro is gonna show at first, and then you can switch whatever. Now I switch to the game. You can also switch to the break if you want to take break, and you can switch to the end tab to end the video. So let's test if it's going live or not. This is my another account, so I'm gonna check out if it's live. So normally you get a notification, which I'm not getting right now. So I'm gonna go directly. Let's refresh it. Not yet. Sometimes it takes time depending on the internet, 5-10 seconds delay. Okay, now you can see it's live. All right, and this is you are live. I already liked the video, And make sure you guys also like the video if you find it helpful. I will be uploading more tips and tricks very soon. This is just a basic video for a beginner, right? And you don't need a high budget laptop. You don't need a low budget is enough. Okay. Okay, let's end this. This is just a tutorial, so let's end the stream. It's still online. We have already stopped the streaming from the OBS system. So everything is working fine. Alright. You don't have to do anything in other tabs. Just let it be default. In the same way, if you choose the YouTube on the setting, you can also upload it on the YouTube. Maybe I will explain it later in the next video how to, but it's the same. The process is the same. The only difference is the YouTube. You have to go to the YouTube instead of Facebook page. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe if you're new. One more thing, sometimes you cannot hear your own game sound, so there is something you must do in a sound setting on your PC. So first you need to go to the sounds, open the sound setting, then go to the recording tab. Below there is a digital audio interface. You have to find the capture card. Right click the capture card. In this case, the digital audio interface is the capture card. So right click, go to properties, and go to the listen tab over there next to the general, and click the listen to the device. It's already ticked, but sometimes it's not ticked, so you must tick it and do it okay, and then you can listen to the video game sound. Alright, so this is the rare case. In case you cannot hear your game sound, so this is what you must do. Alright, thanks for watching and bye.